Hello everyone, welcome to my online class. This is Dayanand sir and I am present with a new chapter of environmental studies. Chapter number is 8 and the title of the chapter is Our Helpers. Our Helpers. So through this video I am going to teach you chapter number 8 Our Helpers. Students, this is the first part of this chapter. So through this chapter, but before this, through this video, we will do reading practice. So let's start the reading practice. As you can see that HELPERS helpers मतलब मदद करने वाला, STARTING starting, POINT starting point, LOOK look at the PICTURES pictures and fill in the BLANKS blanks. You can see that picture of three different people in different occupation. So in this chapter we will learn learn ABOUT about OCCUPATION occupation. We will learn about people who make things for us. Third point is about PEOPLE people, WHO who MEND mend, OUR our, THINGS things. In this chapter we will learn about PEOPLE people who SELL sell, THINGS things. In this chapter we will learn about people who OFFER offer, THEIR their, SERVICES services. And you can see that in your left hand side 3 fill in the blanks are there. So first fill in the blanks is he, HELPS helps us, us, TO2 KEEP keep, OUR our, CITY dash. Answer will be SAFE safe. Number 2 TEACHES teaches us dash MANNERS manners. Answer will be GOOD good. And the third one is CTREATS treats me, WHEN when I am dash. Correct answer will be SICK sick, or you can write ILL ill, or you can write unwell, UNWELL unwell. So students, now come to the page number 42. LEARNING learning, LADDER ladder, learning ladder, OCCUPATION occupation, THE the, WORK work, THAT that, PEOPLE people, do, to, EARN earn, MONEY money, is CALLED called, ANN OCCUPATION occupation, DIFFERENT different, PEOPLE people, HAVE have, DIFFERENT different, occupations, occupations, some of them, help us in our DAILY daily lives. PEOPLE people, WHO who, make, THINGS things, FOR US us. POTTER Potter, MAKES makes, POTS pots, and PANS pens, pots and pens for us. CARPENTER carpenter, MAKES makes, TABLES tables, and CHAIRS chairs, FOR US us. WHICH which, helper, BRINGS brings, YOUR your, LETTERS letters, and PARCELS parcels. Correct answer will be postman. FARMER farmer, GROWS grows, FOOD food, FOR US us, TO2 EAT eat. A farmer grows food for us to eat. Now come to the page number 43. PEOPLE people, WHO who, MEND OUR our, THINGS things. COBBLER cobbler, MENDS mends, and POLISHES policies, OUR our, SHOES shoes. ATAILOR tailor, MENDS mends, OUR our, TOR in torn, CLOTHES cloth, SHEC or HE, ALSO also, STITCHES stitches, NEW new, CLOTHES cloths, FOR for us. PLUMBER plumber, REPAIRS repairs, BROKEN broken, TAPS taps, and PIPES pipes. PEOPLE people, WHO who, SELL sale, THINGS things, CHEMIST chemist, SELLS sales, MEDICINES medicines. You can see that in quick section, QUICK quick, QUESTION question, quick question, WHO who, IS is, a BLACK Smith, who is a blacksmith. Answer will be a person who makes things of iron. BAKER baker, SELLS sales, BREAD bread, CAKES cakes, and PASTRIES pastries. QUICK quick, QUESTION question, quick question. Page number 44. WHERE where, DO do, WEV BUY by STATIONERY, stationery. What is pronunciation? Stationery. ITEMS, items. LIKE, like. PENCILS, pencils. AND, and. CRAYONS, carry-ons. From. So correct answer will be stationery soap. We buy stationery items like pencils and crayons from stationery shop. Now come to this chapter. A GREEN greengrocer. SELLS, sales. VEGETABLES, vegetables. And FRUITS, fruits. MILKMAN, milkman. DELIVERS, delivers. MILK, milk to. OUR, our. HOUSE, house. Next is PEOPLE, people. WHO, who. OFFER, offer. THEIR, there. SERVICES, services. DRIVER, driver. DRIVES, drives. BUS, bus. FOR, US, us. Next, BARBER, barber. CUTS, cuts. Our. HAIR, hair. A barber cuts our hair. And you can see that in a column, knowing is fun. KNOWING, knowing is fun. DENTIST, dentist. Is a. DOCTO, a doctor. WHO, who. TAKES, takes. CAR, care. OF, of. OUR, our. TEETH, teeth. A doctor, dentist is a doctor who takes care of our teeth. जो डॉक्टर हमारे दांतों की देखभाल करता है, हमारे दांतों का इलाज करता है, उसको डेंटिस्ट कहते हैं. So student, this is a reading practice. All of you will read this chapter, and all of you will underline the hard word of this chapter. Bye bye. Thank you.